Man City, we never die. Yeah, this is our time. From the first whistle, we're ready to fight.